In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two images together in Microsoft Word. Knowing how to blend two pictures in one document is a helpful skill when you are designing a report, a presentation, or a flyer. It allows you to present ideas more clearly and make your pages look more creative and professional. Start by opening a new blank document in Microsoft Word so you have a clean space to work in. Once the document is ready, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click Pictures, then choose This Device to browse for the first image saved on your computer. Select the image and insert it into your document. The picture may not appear exactly where you want it yet, and that is perfectly normal. Repeat the same process to insert your second image. At this stage, the pictures might overlap or sit awkwardly next to each other, but we will adjust them next. Click on the first image to select it. When you do this, the Picture Format tab will appear. In the Arrange section, find the Wrap Text option and choose either in front of text or behind text. This setting lets you move the image freely around the page. Do the same thing for the second image, so both pictures can be positioned easily. Now you can drag the images into place. You might overlap them slightly for a creative look or place them side by side for comparison. Take your time adjusting the position until the layout looks balanced. When you are happy with the arrangement, select both images together. Click the first picture, hold the Control key, then click the second picture so both are highlighted. Go back to the Picture Format tab and choose the Group option. This will combine the images into one object so they move together and stay aligned. Grouping also makes future editing easier and keeps your layout consistent. Combining images in Word is a simple technique that can improve your document design and help your visuals tell a clearer story. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.